One developer ran the exact same AI model through 3 coding harnesses, Claude Code, OpenCode and Pi, and all 3 produced identical code diffs. Claude Code took nearly 4 times longer to land them. The only thing that changed between those runs was the software wrapped around the model, and that wrapper is where your subscription money goes. A harness war has broken out over it. Anthropic's Claude Code and OpenAI's Codex defend the title against 3 challengers, OpenCode, Pi, and Factory Droid, who will battle it out over 5 rounds. A harness is everything around the model, the terminal app, the file and shell tools, the loop that feeds results back in, and the system prompt that opens every session. The model is the engine, the harness is the rest of the car. Claude Code and Codex are the factory builds made by the model labs, welded to their own models, and sold inside a $20 to $200 subscription, which is why they defend the title as a tag team. The challengers unbolt that weld. OpenCode is the headline act, an MIT licensed harness from the SST team that drives more than 75 model providers and sits past 190,000 GitHub stars, more than any other coding agent on the platform. Pi is the hacker's build, a fork of Mario Zechner's deliberately tiny Pi agent with IDE-grade tooling bolted on. Factory Droid is the suit, closed source, $220 million in funding, and Morgan Stanley on the customer list. Round 1 holds the model constant and scores the wrapper. Terminal Bench drops an agent into a containerized terminal and checks whether real tasks get finished. Give Claude Code and OpenCode the same Claude Opus model and they land within half a point of each other, inside the error bars. Whatever magic the first-party harness has, the free one keeps nearly all of it. Droid goes further. Running the same Opus model as Claude Code, Factory Submission scored 69.9% against Claude Code's 58%. That's significant, but vendor submitted. The absolute top of the leaderboard still belongs to Codex with OpenAI's newest model, and that reads as a model win as much as a harness win. Round 1 to the challengers. Amazon went 860% over budget and burned $1.8 million letting Claude handle a menial coding task, and that story topped our technology this week on Reddit. That's the stake in round 2, what the harness spends before and around your work. A logging study that hit the Hacker News front page measured what each harness sends before it even reads your prompt. OpenCode about 7,000 tokens. Claude Code 33,000. The developer from our opener measured the same shape and traced most of Claude Code's overhead to it, describing its 27 tools at the start of every session, and his benchmark gave the 3 harnesses personalities. Pi reasons, OpenCode delegates, and Claude Code loves exploring your codebase, maybe too much. Pi's entire system prompt is around 1,300 tokens. The darker read in the Hacker News thread was that Claude Code burns more tokens because Anthropic bills for them. Whatever the motive, there's now a cottage industry of session movers and limit-triggered handoff tools whose only job is rationing Claude Code and Codex. Round 2 to the challengers, with Pi wearing the efficiency crown. Model choice is the challenger's home turf. OpenCode treats the model as a config setting, hosted or local, more than 75 providers, switchable mid-session. The poster child is the developer who spent an 8-hour flight working offline with OpenCode and a Qwen model on his MacBook. His own verdict was that it doesn't replace frontier models, but it understands the whole codebase and keeps him shipping when the internet is gone. Pi drives over 40 providers, and even the buttoned-up droid lets you bring your own keys and point it at Olama. The champions split this round. Codex ships an official flag for running local open models, so OpenAI has joined the trend it was supposed to be defending against. Claude Code sits in between. Olama now speaks Anthropic's API format, so wiring a local model into it takes 2 environment variables, but Anthropic's own docs say non-Claude models are unsupported, so when tool calls misfire, you're on your own. Round 3 to the challengers with an assist from Codex. Trust is the round nobody leaves clean. Anthropic's record: when developers routed their Claude subscriptions through OpenCode, Anthropic blocked its server side, wrote the ban into its terms, and sent legal demands to an open source project. The top Hacker News comment on that story called it bad PR for no good reason. The challenger's record is 2 days old. OpenCode's paid Go tier dropped its zero data retention wording the same day it added a China-hosted DeepSeek model, without telling anyone. The community caught it within hours, with before and after quotes from the docs and commit hashes to match. The co-founder's explanation that no retention agreement exists yet for the new model may well be true, and a per-model privacy table shipped the same day, but the silence was a bit nasty. Droid's catch: the product is closed source and its flashiest benchmark numbers are its own submissions. Oh my pies, the whole project rests on roughly one maintainer. The one privacy policy in this fight you can verify yourself is a local model on your own hardware. No point awarded. The last round is the bill, and on subscriptions the champions win big. A $200 Claude Max plan covers agentic workloads that would cost 4 figures a month at API rates, which is exactly why Anthropic won't let that subscription flow through anyone else's harness. Run Claude inside OpenCode and you pay full API price for the same model. The challenger's answer from the other end of the market: OpenCode itself is free. Its Go tier bundles high-volume open models for $10 a month. Droid starts at $20, and the local route drops your marginal cost to electricity, if the task fits a model your hardware can hold. If your whole day runs on one frontier model, the subscription wins. For mixed workloads, cheap models, or code that can't leave the building, the challengers underprice it badly. 1 point each. Final score: challengers 3, champions 1, and a trust round held up as a warning label. With the model held constant, the open harnesses already match or beat the factory builds while spending fewer of your tokens. And model launches now announce themselves as now on OpenCode, the way apps once announced now on iPhone. One cloud over the parade: the cheap end of the challenger menu leans heavily on Chinese open models, and Washington is circling those, so the bargain shelf can thin out at any given moment. The choice depends on which developer you are. If you want model choice, an exit from rate limits, or code that stays on your machine, put OpenCode in your terminal this week and keep a frontier key for the hard problems. Watch Droid if you run an engineering org, and watch Oh My Pi if you like your tools sharp and slightly dangerous. The models will keep leapfrogging each other every month. The harness is your long-term relationship.